Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if we look back a little bit at 2023, one of the things that I think we can say for the PC market is how it declined quite fast. For the most part, PC sales, computers that were computer manufacturers that were selling their PCs all saw pretty much a decline. And everybody declined at different speeds, but for the most part, it declined. And you're thinking, well, what's going to be 2024 in terms of PC sales? Is there a good news? The good news, well, the sales of PCs, even though double-digit decline, is still higher than before the pandemic. So that means there were still more PCs sold now than in 2019. But the speed that is going down, that's not going to be the case in 2024 if it continues to decline at the same speed. We're actually going to be lower. Now, the good news that most analysts and even the companies behind PCs that are selling PCs like HP, Dell, Lenovo, all say that what they see for 2024 is actually a rise in PC sales. And they say that there's a lot of things that are merging together for PC sales to increase in 2024. If I look at myself, I don't see much of a need for a new PC right now, but I could see personally that if some AI-driven future needs an NPU on a PC, it could drive me, mostly for the purpose of this channel, to purchase a new PC in 2024 that would have an NPU chip. That could be a possibility. But if all stays the way it is, I don't see any purchase personally of PCs. The ones that I own and that I have right now, the mini PCs, including this one running an Insider build, the one running Windows 10, and I got my gaming PC, which is still super powerful, runs pretty much all the games I want. I don't necessarily see the need for anything new personally. But a lot of analysts are saying that the average PC age, is actually going to drive 2024 in higher PC sales. So that's gonna do is, of course, Windows. First of all, what will be the Windows market share and how fast will it rise with new PCs? If there is a rise in sales, there should be a speed up in Windows 11 adoption. But that's what we're going to see if it holds true. 2023, of course, really bad year, I think, for PC makers in general. Even Apple Mac computers declined year over year. Everybody declined. Chromebooks stumbled like crazy. It seems like if there was one market that not only declined, but almost went out of its way to be outside of all the numbers, is the Chromebooks. It seems people are not really getting into the Chromebook market. It is a different market, and not everybody can go buy with a Chromebook. It's very important to understand that. And a lot of Chromebooks, I think, are overpriced. I would not buy a $1,000 Chromebook. Forget it. I would buy a low-end Chromebook. That's, I think, what a lot of people want, actually. If they're going to spend $1,000, they're going to buy either a Windows PC or maybe go in, with more money and a higher, go into a Mac. But I think people with Chromebooks are expecting Chromebooks to be kind of a lower price thing. So this is going to be interesting to see what the PC market is going to be in 2024. You guys think it's going to rise, or you guys think it's going to continue actually falling? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.